Okay, this is the train station. Isadora said she is waiting in the ticket hall.
The next bus to Wallington is ready to board on platform 3, calling at the Glen City and Wallington.
Your train is in 6 minutes. Please make your way down to the platforms.
Okay, let's go down to the platform. This escalator isn't packed, isn't it?
The train now approaching platform 1 is the City Line service to London Beach.
It's nice meeting you again, Joe.
Same, Isadora.
I have one thing to tell you. At the Grand Junction station, shall we get the express train from there, because commuter takes 20 stops to get there.
Why not?
The next station is the Grand Junction. Change here for national and international rail services. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train.
We're here. It's a good thing I got my laptop. Have you got yours, Isadora? I want to play Kahoot with you.
Yes, I did get my own. Let's play Kahoot.
My nickname? Joe the Superstar.
Bienvenidos a bordo de este servicio a London Beach. La próxima parada es London Beach, donde termina este tren. Welcome aboard this service to London Beach. The next station is London Beach, where this train terminates.
I got 12,000 coins.
I got 11,000 coins.
Drum roll, please. It's a tie.
Okay.
Yay. We are at 140 miles per hour.
Oh my God, that's like trains on the high-speed one. It's indeed faster than the Avanti West Coast.
Nos estamos acercando a London Beach, nuestra última parada. Por favor, llévese pertenencias cuando baje del tren. Gracias por elegir United Express.
We are now approaching London Beach, which is our final stop. Change here for the London Underground. Please remember to take all of your belongings with you. Thanks for choosing to ride United Express.
We made it, Joe.
Yes, we did. Why did Joe and Isadora choose the United Express at the Grand Junction? A. It was too long by metro. B. It's a luck. C. Because of Paris. Write a comment.